happy afternoon. What is your name?
Dave.
Dave. How about you, sir? What is your name?
Abdul.
How about you, sir? What is your name?
Kyle.
Okay, now, guys, listen. In front of you are 3 mysterious boxes. Now, I'm going to give you a chance to choose which box do you want. Okay, in the count of 1, 2, and 3, choose your box. You may now go in front of your chosen boxes. Come on, guys. You can go in front of them. Okay, guys. Are you sure with the box that you have chosen? I'll be giving you another 3 counts to think. You may switch position. You can talk to each other. In the count of 1, 2, and 3, choose your box. Okay, I think they're pretty much sure with these boxes. Now we're going to open these boxes one by one. But before that, to make it more fun and exciting, volunteers, you need to wear the blindfold. And I'm going to give you a chance to touch and feel what's inside your chosen box. Okay, come on guys, wear the blindfolds. Okay, and 1, 2, and 3, touch it. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, and 3, touch it. Okay guys, you may now remove your blindfolds. Okay sir, now are you ready to open the box that you have chosen?
Yes.
How about you sir, are you ready? Last but not the least sir, are you ready?
I think so.
How about the audience? Are you ready? Okay, and since you're all ready, let's proceed to box number 1. Sir, happy afternoon. Can you describe to us what's inside your chosen box?
It feels like a Tupperware.
Tupperware. Do you have any guess what animal is it? Any guess?
Turtle.
A turtle. Let's see. Okay, everybody please help me to count. In the count of 1, 2, and 3. Let's open box number 1. Oh, it's Billy! Okay, sir, can you put your palms up like this? Okay, just relax. Whatever happened, please do not drop Billy. Okay, so by the way, Billy is our ball python. They can grow up to 5 feet long and they can live up to 20 years in captivity. They are named ball pythons because when they are younger, they love to roll into a ball to protect their head with their bodies. Sir, what can you say about Billy?
He looks like he's gonna bite.
No, it's not. Billy is super friendly. Thank you so much. So please stand by. We are not done yet. Okay? Alright, let's proceed to box number 2. Hello, sir. Happy afternoon. Can you describe to us what's inside your chosen box?
Something fluffy.
Fluffy. Do you have any idea what animal is it?
Chicken.
A chicken. Okay, let's see. Let's open box number 2. In the count of 1, 2. Okay, let's proceed to box number 3. Okay, sir, I'll get back to you. So be ready, okay? Hello, sir. Happy afternoon. Can you describe to us what's inside your chosen box?
It's kind of rough.
Rough. Do you have any guess? What animal is it?
Like a hedgehog.
Hedgehog. Let's see. Okay, let's open box number 3. In the count of 1, 2, and 3. Oh, it's Iggy. Okay, sir. Can you put your arms like this? Come on, Iggy. Okay, let's just wait for Iggy. Come on, Iggy, you can do it.
Ayaw sumama.
Okay, just relax, sir. Open your palms. Okay, so by by the way, Iggy is our red iguana. They can be found in tropical areas of Caribbean and Central South America. They can grow up to 6 feet long. These lizards at the top of their head has their third eye. Even though it does not produce images, it is a very important element for them. Sir, what can you say about Iggy?
Very rough.
Very rough. Thank you so much. But please stand by. We are not done yet. Okay, let's go back to box number 2. Okay, sir, before we open your chosen box, who are you with today? Family, friends, or special someone?
Family and friends.
Family and friends, where are they? Hello, guys. Welcome to Zubik Safari. Now, sir, do you have any last words for them?
Last words.
Wish me luck.
Oh, no, I'm just kidding. But this time, it's for real. Now, sir, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, since you're ready, everybody, please help me to count. In a count of 1, 2, and 3. Let's open box number 2.
It's missing. Acting.
Come on, guys. Check the box stage. Check the enclosure.
Acting na acting. Nakakatawa si Val.
Okay, everybody, please help us to find the missing animal. Can you check on your seats, please? Yes, Kuya Greg, have you found it? Is it there? A nice shoe? Kuya Greg, one animal is missing and you're busy checking for a nice shoe? Come on, guys, let's go back to work. Okay, everybody, please put your eyes on the stage for our Burmese Python. Okay, gentlemen. Okay, gentlemen, can you put your hands like this? Come on, guys, you can do it. Alright, so by the way, this is Maxine, our Burmese